Yes, thank you so much. Can you all hear my voice? Yes. So today's session we are learning about a new topic, okay, which is profit and loss. Can I have Rufus? Hi, Rufus.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, dear. See, someone's speaker is always on. Yes, Rufus, please, you can unmute. Rufus, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you tell me what is profit and loss? I think you would have learned this last year also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is it?
What, ma'am?
Quick. What is profit and loss? Have you ever heard this before? Quickly answer, ma. You don't know?
No, no, wait, ma'am.
Ah.
Gain the money. Gave the money.
Okay.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
That's okay. That's good try. Good try. Good. It's okay. Thank you. Can I have Varun?
Can I tell?
Yes. Who is this? Tell your name.
Jenny, ma'am.
Hi, Jenny. Yes. Go ahead. Tell us.
Profit means gaining money and loss means like the money will go. We are spending the money.
Oh, okay. Okay,
Ma'am,
good, good try. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear. Yes, who is this?
Varun, ma'am.
Ah, yes. Tell me, da.
Math, profit and loss.
What is that?
If there was a fruit seller, he's an apple seller. He sells 1 kg apple for 100 rupees.
Okay.
One day it was a rainy day, so people can't come out and buy apples. So he makes the cost 10 rupees. 10 rupees, so more people come and take more apples, and he has money. So his loss is 50 rupees.
How much rupees?
90 rupees, his loss.
Yes, yes, fantastic, yes. Very good, very good.
And his profit was only 10 rupees.
How he got profit? Okay, super, good try, very good. Good job, Varun. Thank you so much. Very nice. Yes, who is this?
This is Mithran, ma'am.
Yes, Mithran, go ahead.
The loss means, example, in this corona time, lockdown, many shops like fruits and all are going on their loss with millions of rupees. So, profit means like exchanging, like if we give less, like 100 rupees if I give to someone, and if they have to give like 50 rupees per day, it's going to gain more and more each day. So less money will give, more money it goes back to us.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Thank you. So many of you are having some idea about profit and loss. Very good, children. But I want to share a few things like how Varun said and how Mithran also shared and how the Genelia also shared with us. See, there is one very important thing. Whenever we are talking about profit and loss, we are only talking about business. We are only talking about business. Okay. So in business, what we are doing, we are selling something. We are selling. Okay. So when we are selling, what we are going to do? We are going to add some value to the money. Okay. We are going to increase the value of the money. To understand this very nicely, I have a nice example for you. Okay. I want all of you to follow this carefully. And please look at the slides. Can I have can I have Ritesh? Please excuse me. I have a very bad sore throat. Ritesh, can you unmute? Can you please read what is there on the screen? Can I have Raga? Can you unmute Raga?
Me, ma'am?
Who is this?
Genelia.
No, wait. You have to wait, Genelia. Everybody should get a chance, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, dear. Students who have got a chance. This is? The voice is breaking, ma. Yes, Ananjan, go ahead. Can you read?
Mrs. Vanita taking business.
Very good. Okay, please others mute your call. I'll give everybody a chance. Those names I'm calling, I'm going to call two times. Within that, please respond. Otherwise, I'm moving on to the next student. Okay? See carefully what she is doing. Look at the screen, children. Okay, please mute your call after your turn. Please mute your call. Okay, so look at this. Slowly, I'm moving it for you. Okay. So she is this corona lockdown. What she is doing? She thought this is the best business to do. So she started doing mask. You know, mask has become very important today. Okay. So she started to do the mask on her own. So she is running a business. She's doing what? She's having a business. Only those who are doing business will need this profit and loss concept. Okay, please remember that. Okay, now what she's doing variety types of masks. She's doing a mask for kids. She's doing also these printed masks, and she's also selling disposable masks. Okay. So what is the beauty here is this kids mask and this printed mask, she is doing it on her own. But this disposable mask, okay, that material is different and everything is different. So what she does is she's buying it from somebody and she's selling it. Okay. In our class, Shruti Ha is going to manufacture disposable masks. Okay, Shruti Ha is the manufacturer of disposable masks. She's got one big shop and she is manufacturing. And Mrs. Vanita goes to Shruti Ha and she says, give me some disposable mask. Okay, and so she gets a box full of disposable masks. So from where she is buying? Mrs. Vanita is buying from Shruti Ha. Okay, Shruti Ha is going to sell what? Disposable masks. Okay, so the story, please listen to the story carefully. Okay, so Mrs. Vanita is doing 3 types of masks. She's selling 3 types of masks. Okay, first one is the kids mask, then the printed mask, and she's also selling disposable masks. Okay, so let's see here. She's spending some money to make these masks. Yes, she's spending a lot of money to make these things. Before selling something, we need to make them. Can I have Yalini Raja? Can you please unmute and can you read this?
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Miss Vanita spends some money to make these masks. Do you have any idea what are the things you need to manufacture masks?
Yes, can you tell me?
Maybe plastic.
Okay.
And paper.
Paper. Okay. Have you used mask before?
Yes.
Then when you touch it, how does it feel?
And if it's a printed mask, fabric.
Very good.
And string.
Very good.
And some yarn.
Very good. Some yarn also. Yes, very good. Yes, thank you so much, Yalini. Can I have Ashmita Gauri? Yes, Ashmita, are you there?
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, dear. Look at the screen, okay? Just like how Yalini shared her ideas. Very good, Yalini. What you told was very correct. Okay, see here. Can you just see and tell me what are the things that they are using?
So
can you look at the
fabric?
Yes. Then what is?
Sewing machines.
Very good. Sewing machine.
Elastic bands.
Very good. Then scissors. Then what else? Other than what is there in this, can you think and tell me? You need someone to do the stitching. Yes. So to make these masks. Yes, yes. Okay, so can you, whenever you go to a shop, even if you buy an eraser, you buy a pencil, somebody has made this pencil and they have brought it to the shop. Okay, so remember that, children. So what we are trying to understand here is, there is always a making cost. Okay, there is always a making cost. Okay, thanks dear. Please mute your call. Okay, so children all please look at this. For making the kids mask, the printed mask, and to buy the disposable mask from Shruti Ha, all we are doing is what? We are spending some money on that. Okay, so all this is called as we're going to call this as, we're going to give it a special name for it. Okay, so every month what Mrs. Vanita is doing is she checks the sales record of the different types of masks sold by her. Okay, she wants to check that. She is selling all these in the shop. Yes. So what do we call this? The cost of making her mask is called cost price. Whether she's sitting in her house and doing it, or whether she's having a small shop, whatever she's doing inside that shop, we are calling that as what? Cost price. So the cost of making, like buying the fabric, cutting it, then measuring it, then stitching it in the beautiful shape and design, like a Superman mask or whatever. Okay, there are so many varieties of masks, right? So she is going to call it, all that money she's spending in making them, we are going to call it cost price. Can I have Shruti Ha? Shruti Ha, please unmute your call. Children, if you are not responding immediately, it's like I'm talking to myself. Okay, please respond quickly. Yes. Ma'am? Yes, read it.
The cost of making her mask is called cost of price, but she sells her mask at a different price of to the customers. This price is called.
Do you have any idea?
Cost
Any
of
guess?
price.
That is cost of price means what? There is no cost of price. Cost price only, okay? Cost price means what? Your cost means making price. Cost price means making price. Okay? And when you sell to the customer, we are going to call it selling price. Okay? All of you make a note of it. Selling price. Okay? When you make something, it's going to be called cost price. Okay? Yes, thank you, children. To make you understand this better, I'm going to tell you something. Suppose there is a nice carnival in school. Okay? Suppose you're telling we are going to have a nice carnival. Yes. Please, can you mute your calls, everybody? Yes. Can I talk? No, don't write anything, children. Please only listen. Learning session is for learning. Okay, learn, think, then only we will write. Okay? First, this is learning session. So please mute your call, children. Let me talk. Will you please help, ma'am? Can I talk? Please mute your call, children. Yes, thank you. So I'll give you an easier example. Suppose there is going to be a carnival in school, okay, or they're going to say there is a big function in school, and the class 5 students, you are going to have one stall. You are going to set up a stall, and you are all going to make lemonade, lemon juice stall, okay. So to make 1 glass of lemon juice, you are going to use 1 lemon, 1 spoon of sugar, and some water. That's all, okay. So what you will do? You will buy a lot of lemons, you will pour a lot of water, and you will put a lot of sugar. So what you are going to do is, after calculating all this, what you will do? You will buy 1 kg of lemon. Yes, you will buy 1 kg of lemon, you will buy 1 packet of sugar, and you will probably get 1 can of water. With all this, you are making your juice, okay. Now when the customers, when all the others, the teachers and maybe all the other class students come to your stall, you will sell your 1 glass of lemon juice, but you will put a new price for that. You're going to put a new price for that. Say maybe it's 10 rupees 1 glass. 1 glass is how much? 10 rupees. Yes? Vaishali, thank you, Vaishali. Okay. So what happens now? You are going to increase the cost price and you are going to call it as selling price. Okay. Let me finish explaining and then I'll give you the chance to ask questions, okay? So let's understand these 2 things. In this example, Mrs. Vanita, the cost of making her mask is cost price, and the selling, when she's selling it to the customer, it's a different price, not the same price. So she's going to sell it at a price called selling price. Okay, we are going to give 2 names for it. Okay. So now what is this profit and loss? What are these 2 terms? Let us understand that better. Okay. When we are selling products more than the cost price, what does that mean? Suppose to make 1 glass of lemon juice, it will cost me only 3 rupees. Okay, it's costing me only 3 rupees. But when I'm selling it to the customer, I'm selling it for 10 rupees. Yes, I'm going to sell it for 10 rupees. Then what happens? What is the difference between 10 and 3, children? Yes, what is the difference? So the difference is 7. Yes, so 7 rupees we are going to make profit. We are going to make a profit. Always remember, whatever is the making cost, if it is less, then what? The selling price. finally when you are giving the product to the customer, to the others, okay, that means you are going to have an increase in that price. Now from 3 rupees I have made it what? 10 rupees. So that is the difference. Okay, so when we sell products more than the cost price, we call it profit. Similarly, when we sell products less than the cost price, is it possible? Just like how Varun explained to us that he was selling mangoes for 100, and because of some problem, corona, nobody came to buy the fruits. The fruits will become decay, no? It will all perish. So what happens? He's selling it at 10 rupees, very cheap. 100 rupees value things, he's selling it for how much? 10 rupees. He made a huge loss of 90 rupees. Okay, so that is the comparison we have to do. We have to compare the selling price and cost price for every product. And then we get what? We get loss. We get the loss. When we sell products less than the cost price, we get a loss. Okay, will you remember this? Okay, you should remember this. This is the most important part. Okay. Now look at this, children. Can I have Sai Ashita? Please unmute your call, child. Sai Ashita. Yes, Sai Ashita. Yes, ma. Who is this Sai Ashita?
Yes, ma'am. Sai Ashita
yes,
here.
Yes, ma. Tell.
You called
Look
me,
at
ma'am.
Yes, ma. Please look at the screen and read.
The cost of making kids masks, rupees 12,458 rupees.
Very good. And for how much is she selling it?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Can you hear now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much is she selling it?
12,458 rupees.
58.
58 rupees.
Read again. Again read that value correctly.
The cost of making kids masks, rupees 12,458 rupees.
Then
She sold them in Amazon for 15,580 rupees.
very good. Okay, 580 rupees. All of you please see here. Where are they selling it in? She's selling it in Amazon. Okay, we all know what is Amazon, right? Where you can we go and buy stuff. So she made them, and then she has created her own profile in Amazon, and she's selling her products from there. Okay, so anybody wants to go and buy, what they will do? They will go to the Amazon, and then they can choose a mask and then buy from her. Okay, so that way she was able to sell these kids masks for this much of rupees. So what is the first thing that we need to do is, they are given two information, which is the cost price and selling price. So we have to compare them. We have to compare them. Bhargav, can you unmute and tell me? Bhargav?
Ma'am?
Yes. Can you compare and tell me which is greater?
15,580.
Very good. So 15,580 is the selling price. Is the selling price. Got it? So what do we know? How to find out if she made a profit or loss? Okay, we are going to first find out whether she made profit or loss. Okay, so by comparing these two, we know what do we know? That the selling price is greater than cost price. Are you all able to follow me? Okay, it is greater than. So what is the difference? Let's find the difference. Okay, So we know that profit has a formula which is selling price minus cost price. From selling price, whatever is the cost price, if you remove that, the difference is the extra amount that we have got. And this extra is what we call as the gain or profit. Gain or profit. Is it clear, children? Okay, so the cost price of kids mask is 12,458 and selling price of kids mask is 15,580. So what we are doing to find out profit or loss, first what we have to do, we have to compare the two numbers and find out whether it is selling price or cost price. Then we know that selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, we know that there is an increase, right? Whenever there is an increase, we know that the profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Okay? Remember that, children. 15,580 is the selling price. See, I'm repeating this so many times so that you will not forget and you will not make mistakes. Okay, Anbu Selvam, please unmute your call. Anbu, are you there? Can you tell me what is the answer for this? Yes, ma'am, what is the answer?
Thousand.
How much, da?
1,200.
1,000?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, wait. Let Anbu finish it, da. And slowly do it, one below the other. You please arrange the number and then you find out the answer and tell me. Guys, I hope you can spend another 2-3 minutes. We'll finish it off, okay? Please allow your friends to do it. Yes, Anbu, we are waiting for you. Did you finish the subtraction? Anbu, are you there or not with us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Yes, please do it. Do and tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No. We will give chance to everybody. Will you please give your friend a little more time? Can you please give some more time to Anbu? Yes? I know there are students who have already got the answer, but we will give chance to all your friends. Okay? Okay, I want to see team spirit in your class. Done? Yes, what's the answer, ma? What is taking you so long, da?
Wait, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am. What is 10 or 0 minus 8? Borrow. Quickly finish and tell, man. You are in 5th standard. You don't have any pen, paper, nothing you are having in your hand. Correct, ah?
Ma'am, I have.
Then you should, by now you should tell. It's a very simple problem. Come on, ma.
Ma'am, the answer is coming to a lot, ma'am.
2 lakhs, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I ask you to multiply? What is the formula, children? Profit means what? See, 15,580 minus 12,458. Anbu, what you are listening, what you are doing? Children, are you all following? We are just subtracting and finding how much extra money we are getting. Okay. How I told you, no, that 10 rupees and 3 rupees. We got 7 rupees. Same concept. Okay. Yes. Can I call the next student? Kiran, can you tell me the answer? Kiran, quickly come and tell children. Kiran, if you are there, quickly answer, ma. Okay, anybody is willing to answer? Yes, go ahead. One person, please tell yes. What is the answer?
Yes. Ma'am, can I say?
3,122.
Wonderful. Thank you, ma. Anbu, did you understand how to do that? Yes, thank you, children. I know many of you have got the answer. So 3,122 is the answer. So what is the 3,122? That is the profit. Okay. So children, I want you all to also look at this. See here, the cost of making disposable masks also has something called transportation charges of 650. Okay, so now what we are going to do, because Vanita is buying from Shrutiha. Okay, Vanita is buying from Shrutiha. So therefore, what happens? She is going to also include the transportation charges with her cost of making. With her cost of making, she is also going to add the 650. Okay. And they are also giving us the extra information that selling price is 6,620. The sold, sell, all this represents selling price. It is what? Selling price. Cost of making means cost price. Transportation charges means what? That is also part of your cost price. Okay. All of you, please look at the screen. Vaishali, if you are there, please unmute and read, dear. Quickly read, ma. We can finish the session after this. Yes, ma.
Cost price of disposable masks are 6,199. Selling price of disposable mask is disposable masks is 6,620.
Okay, but just by looking these two, we cannot say that the selling price is more, because we were given one more information, which is this transportation charges of 650, because from Shrutiha's place, Vanita has to bring all the disposable masks to her shop. Okay, only then she was able to sell it. We all understand, in the beginning itself I told, we are going to buy from home from Shrutiha. Okay, so what happened? We have already taken these two. Now we have to add the transportation charges to the cost price. The cost price. So can you tell me what is the total? Okay, when you add these two, what is the total? 6,199 and 650. Quickly tell what is the answer for that. Add them.
Ma'am, should I say?
Yes, you only say. Only for these two. Only for these two you tell. Add them and tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
6849.
6849. Okay, very good. Okay. So the cost price now is, total cost price is 6,849. Now if you look at this, we can very clearly know which is greater, cost price or selling price. Which is greater? Which is greater, ma?
Cost price, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, thank you, da. Johanna, are you there? Johanna, please unmute. Give me the answer for this.
Should I mute?
Yes, da. Please mute, da. Thank you, da. Okay. So from this we know cost price now is greater than, what is this? Selling price. Okay, cost price is now greater than selling price. Okay, so we want to know cost price minus selling price. Quickly give me the answer. Johanna Adele, are you there? Quickly come. Otherwise, yes, give me the answer.
So what, ma'am?
Total cost price and selling price. From cost price you subtract selling price. Okay, when cost price is more, we learned that it is loss. So can you tell me how much loss is there now? What is the amount of loss? Subtract 6,849 minus 6,600. See, now you are going to subtract this value. These two you are going to subtract. Okay. Quickly tell me what is the answer. 6,849 minus 6,620. What is the answer, Johanna? Ma, please do it faster, dear. 15 minutes extra I am taking.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank
Okay, what happened? Who is screaming there?
Break time has come.
That is what I'm saying. Quickly tell the answer and then we can close the session.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
229, ma'am.
Fantastic. Thank you, ma. Johanna, you should be faster, okay? Yes. So the answer is 229. But this 229 is a loss. See, in the previous problem it was a profit and now it is a loss. Okay. Here is the formulas what we have learned today. And in page number 38, please mark knowledge nuggets. I want all of you to go through that. The knowledge nuggets completely, you will go through that and keep ready. Okay, page number 38. Okay, and I'm also having a small DIY for you. Okay, no needle and thread or sewing machine is required. Okay, I want all of you to try to make your own mask. Okay?
1 minute, can you
Okay,
show?
children. Others can leave the session. Those who have no doubts can leave the session. Okay, thank you, ma.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, ma.
Ma'am, can you show the 38 knowledge?
That is in page in your book only. Please take your book and see that.